Hello everyone, this is Kartik and welcome back to CodeLearn. Guys, in the previous video of CSS end-to-end course tutorial, we have just discussed about CSS display property, and in this video we are going to discuss about what is overflow property in CSS. So before getting late, let's get started. And guys, before starting the video, make sure that you have liked this video and don't forget to subscribe our CodeLearn channel, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram, and also don't forget to download a new app, CodeLearn Foundation application, where you can learn so many languages, so many new stuffs, and if you have some doubts, so you can ask and get instant answer. So anyways, let's start the video. So guys, here you can see CSS property, overflow property actually. So the CSS overflow controls the big content. It tells whether to clip content or to add scroll bars. The overflow contains the following property. First is visible, second is hidden, third is scroll, and fourth is auto. So let's first of all discuss about what is visible property. So guys, the content is not clipped and visible outside the element box. So let's assume that this whole thing is in a you can say a div, and if I want to add I just mean if I want to cut this part, so I can use visible property, overflow and visible property. And guys, now here you can see the example. So let's copy this out first, and in our VS Code let's open, and here let's create a file, and let's name it as mm, let's name it as overflow. Create a file, overflow.html, and here let's close the sidebar and let's zoom it. And guys, here first of all we have to type exclamation mark, and it will generate the boilerplate. And guys, instead of doing this, we can just copy the code from the website, and don't worry, I will provide the link in the description, and just paste the code. And let's do this format like this. And here you can see guys this doc type. So here you can see doc type, and let's add HTML2. And here you can see head tag, and inside the head tag you can see title tag, not title, style tag. So here you can see the P and P tag with the width of 90 and height of 70, and border with 2 pixel with the color of coral. Let's change it to, let's say, green. And now overflow is visible, and now let's move on to body tag. So guys, here you can see the h2 tag which have codolin, and the p tag which have dummy text. And let's control s to save, and let's copy the file path, and in the browser just paste and run. So here you can see guys, this is our application, not application, let's say it as a website. And here you can see this is a block, here you can see this is a div, and you can see the border. So guys, now we have discussed about visible property, and now let's discuss about hidden property. So this property is clipped and rest of the content is invisible. So suppose this whole thing is in div, and if I want to hide all of these, so I can use visible hidden. So now here you can see the syntax, overflow and then visible hidden. And now you can see the code again. So basically let's move on to our previous code, and here basically in overflow we have to just type hidden. So you can see the copilot tells me what to write. This is a GitHub copilot. First of all you have to register for this, and then you are able to use. And now here you can see hidden. Control to save, and in the browser let's reload. So here you can see all the rest of the content is invisible, and this is only visible. So guys, I hope you understand this invisible property. I just mean this hidden property. And now let's discuss about scroll property. So this property is clipped, but a scroll bar is added to see the rest of the content. The scroll bar can be horizontal or vertical. So you can see the code. So let's type here some more dummy text like this, and here let's add width of 120 pixels and height of, let's say, 100 pixels. And instead of hidden, we have to just type scroll, Ctrl S to save, and in the browser let's reload the page. So here you can see guys, this is our content. So here you can see the scroll bar, and here you can see the scroll bar, and guys here in the code, instead of 12 pixel we have to type 120 pixel, not 12 pixel. It's my bad. And let's reload. So here you can see guys, this is our text with the scroll bar, and we can also do this like 300 pixels, and let's say 300 pixels, save and reload. So you can see guys, this is our website. You can see, you can call it as a web page. And guys, I hope you understand this overflow property in CSS, and in the next tutorial we are going to discuss about more about CSS. So for that, bye bye, see you later and take care.